Hello everyone. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. I am Dr. Pawan Yawadkar, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Psychology at BP National Institute of Social Work, Nagpur. First of all, I like to thank organizer for giving me the opportunity to present you. Today's my topic is stress management during this pandemic COVID-19 situation. It is said that prevention is better than cure. But prevention during this pandemic situation itself stressful. Because basically human is social animal, and during this COVID-19 pandemic situation, the concept of socioculture and personal life has changed drastically. We have become more hygiene conscious. Wearing masks and maintaining social distancing in public. Changes in socioculture, rituals, rites are very difficult to adjust. Adapting the new normal lifestyle will take some time and some special efforts. Fear, worry, and stress are normal responses to perceived or real threats. And at times when we are faced with uncertainty or the unknown. So it is normal and understandable that people are experiencing fear in the context of COVID-19 pandemic. Added to the fear of contracting the virus in pandemic such as COVID-19 are the significant change to our daily lives as our movements are restricted in support of efforts to contain and slow down the spread of the virus. Faced with new realities of working from home, temporary unemployment, homeschooling of children, using face mask and sanitizer, social distancing, lack of physical contact with other family members, friends and colleagues. It is important that we look after our mental as well as our physical health. Now, let us understand what is stress. The term stress refers to negative emotional experiences associated with behavioral, biochemical and physiological changes that are related to perceived acute or chronic challenges. Stressors are the events that stimulate these changes. However, a stress arousing situation for one person might be neutral event for another. Whether a certain situation is stressful for us or not depends on how we appraise life events and how we rate our ability to deal with it. People not only differ in life events that they experience but also in vulnerability to them. People's vulnerability to stress influenced by his or her temperament, resilience, coping skill and available social support. Vulnerability increases the likelihood of maladaptive responses to stress. Stress is defined as an adaptive response to an external that results in physical, psychological and behavioral deviation for organization participants. Hence, Saleh stated that Stress refers to non-specific response of body to any demand made upon it. Symptoms of stress are expressed by apprehension, gloomy foreboding, fear of dying, headache, feeling of insecurity and general excitement, fatigue, insomnia, gastric, digestive system problems, and much more. Stress seems to worsen or increase the risk of conditions like obesity, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, depression, hypertension, asthma, and etc. The factors that causes stress are called stressors. For example, physical, environmental, and social situations. Once the stress takes place, it can manifest itself in various responses. The list of potential and actual stressors is quite extensive. Almost any change in environmental can demand adjustment or coping action. Not all changes demanding adjustment are serious. They may cause stress, but when they become unmanageable, they causes distress. Whether a change will cause stress or distress varies from person to person and for the same person from situation to situation. Stress is actually a normal part of life. At times, it serves useful purpose. Stress can motivate you to get promotion at work or run the last mile of marathon. But if you don't get a handle on your stress and it becomes long term, it can seriously interfere with your physical, mental, and social health. Let us see how we can manage stress, that is, stress management. We can learn to manage stress and lead happier, healthier lives. Here are some tips to help you better and less stress feeling life in every day-to-day life. Keep a positive attitude rather than defaulting to negatives. Give yourself positive message. Accept that there are some events that you cannot control. Be assertive instead of aggressive. Assert your feelings, opinions, or beliefs instead of becoming angry, defensive, or passive. Make yourself updated and aware. Avoid influence of fake news and rumors. Learn and practice relaxation techniques. Try meditation, yoga, pranayama for stress management. Exercise regularly. Your body can fight stress better when it is fit. Healthy food habit. Eat healthy and well balanced food. Learn to manage your time more effectively. Give yourself time to get things done. Set your watch so you have more time to prepare for an event. Do things that are pleasurable. Make time for hobbies, interest, and relaxation. Set limits appropriately and learn to say no to requests that would create excessive stress in your life. Get enough rest and sleep. Your body needs time to recover from stressful event. Don't rely on smoke, alcohol, drug, caffeine or compulsive behavior to reduce stress. Drugs, alcohol, and smoking can stress your body even more. Go ahead for new technologies and new normal lifestyle. Seek out social support. Spend enough time with those you enjoy. Your social network is one of the best tools for handling stress. Talk to others, preferably face to face or at least on the phone or social media. Share what's going on. You can get a fresh perspective while keeping your connection strong. Follow the guideline and instruction given by WHO and government authority. Seek treatment with a psychologist or other mental health professional trained in stress management or biofeedback techniques to learn healthy way of dealing with the stress in your life. Seek out a psychotherapist or psychiatrist if things get too overwhelming. Stress management is basic and essential part of our life. That means rational thinking and optimistic attitude will certainly helpful in any life situation. Stay healthy, stay connected and be positive. Thank you.